Chapter 2. Maps, our guide. Introduction to the chapter. A map is a drawing of the Earth on a flat surface. Maps can be drawn to show the entire world, a single continent, a country, a city, a neighborhood, or even your school. In this chapter you will study about different types of maps and symbols used in maps. Maps. A map is another way to study the different features of the world and its parts. A map shows detailed information about a place. It gives more specific and detailed information as compared to a globe. A map represents the whole or a part of the Earth's surface on a flat surface according to the scale. However, maps are not as accurate as the globe. Maps cannot be replaced by globe as they have certain advantages over the globe. Maps show selected physical and cultural features of the Earth. We can show mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, towns, cities, villages, roads, railways, etc. on a map. These features are shown through colors, lines, and various symbols. An accurate map should have at least 3 features. 1. True directions between places. 2. True shape of land and water bodies. 3. True and accurate area. Maps also have some limitations. The surface of the Earth is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown accurately on a flat surface like paper. Types of maps. There are several types of maps. A map depicts different landforms and water bodies is called a physical map. A map that shows the divisions of the world into countries or the countries into states and districts, etc., is called a political map. Besides, there are weather map, vegetation map, soil map, mineral map, road map, population map, etc. A book that contains different types of maps is called an atlas. Making of maps. Maps have been in use since ancient times. In the beginning, some tribal people made maps of their areas on sand using twigs, shells, etc. Later, mathematics and geometry were used to make maps. Sailors especially needed maps on their voyage. Later scientific surveys and instruments enabled the geographers to draw various types of maps accurately. The science of making maps is called cartography. The person who makes maps is called a cartographer. Reading of maps. Scale. A map without a scale is merely a sketch. You cannot show the virtual size of the Earth on a map. So you need a scale to draw a map. A given distance, say 100 kilometers, may be represented by 1 centimeter on the map. This is called the scale of the map. With the help of a scale you can show long distances on map. You can use a statement to show distance. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. You can also use a linear scale. Most maps represent the scale by a simple straight line divided into a number of parts. Directions. The direction on a map are shown by an arrow mark in the upper right-hand corner. The arrow is upright and the tip of the arrow is marked with N. It shows the north direction. The bottom of the map indicates south, to your right is the east and to your left is west. There are 4 main or cardinal directions: north, east, west and south. There are 4 more subdirections, i.e. northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Letters news are used to denote major directions. Colors. Colored maps are very useful to show physical features of an area. Almost all maps follow a common scheme of colors. For example, Light blue shows shallow water of the sea, while dark blue shows deep water. Green color is used to show plains. Yellow and light brown colors show plateaus. Dark brown color shows hills and mountains. Signs and symbols. The signs and symbols help to read and understand the information given on the map. You can show physical or cultural features on a map with the help of signs and symbols. You use many symbols to show the details on a map. You can show various types of boundaries, international, state, district, etc. using various symbols. International boundary. State boundary. Metalled road. Unmetalled road. Bridge. Railway line. Dam. Well and tank. Stream. Forest. Capital city. Temple. Church. Mosque. Post office. Telegraph office. Police station. Rest house. A map has a list of symbols used in it. It is called the key to the map. A key or legend is provided to understand the map. Maps are very important not only for geographers but also for explorers, students, teachers, scientists alike.